Building in Africa is like ordering food online. The photo looks great. The final bill makes you cry. Sifo in South Africa built a neat 3-bedroom for $50,000. But Amma in Cape Town paid $500,000 for something as smaller than her kitchen. Why? Location, materials, and those surprise costs that appear like uninvited wedding guests. I'm Engineer Abdurrahim Muhammad, your construction therapist. Let's uncover what it really costs to build your dream home in Africa and how to do it without going broke. Part 1. Africa's price range. Across Africa, prices change faster than weather. Here's what 2025 looks like per meter square. Region range, $1 per meter square. Southern Africa, South Africa and Namibia, $500 to $1,100. Sifo built in Limpopo, solid home, small budget. East Africa, Kenya and Tanzania, $700 to $1,400. Amina in Kiambu spent $110K, half went to materials. West Africa, Ghana, $900 to $1,800. Kojo in Accra said, my foundation ate my savings. Central Africa, Gabon and Cameroon, $1,200 to $2,000. Emmanuel in Libreville, Blaine import taxes for his stress. Pro tip, a 200-meter square home in South Africa equals $110K to $220K. Same in Angola at 200%. Logistics there move slower than mundane. Part 2, country examples. Sifo's story, South Africa. Sifo, a teacher in Limpopo, wanted a 3-bedroom house for his family. He paid about $82,000 for a 150 meter square. Built that, $550 per meter square. In Cape Town, $950 per meter square. Beautiful views, painful for the wallet. Johannesburg, $830 per meter square. Busy but balanced. Limpopo, $530 per meter square. Affordable but no Uber Eats. Materials basic equals $550 per meter square. Luxury equals $1,100 plus dollars. Eco equals 10%. Sifo skipped the imported marble and bought local tiles. Saved $6,000. Amina's story, Kenya. Amina, a nurse from Kiambu, started her home in 2023. She expected $100,000, ended up at $130,000. Why? Steel prices, fuel hikes, and that cousin who promised cheap cement. She learned the golden rule: buy materials early and store them well. Tip: build during dry season. Rain makes everything slower and more expensive. Yonis' story, Ethiopia. Yonis, a young engineer in Addis Ababa, began his 2-floor home at $120,000. Cement shortages and currency issues pushed it to $180,000. He joked, my stairs cost me peace of mind. Tip: plan ahead for material delays. Patience is cheaper than panic. Kojo's story, Ghana. Kojo, a banker in Accra, dream of a seaside villa. Salt, air corrosion said, nice try. He spent $160,000 at about $1,100 per meter square. Half went to reinforced concrete and waterproofing paint. Now his house still stands strong and dry. Tip: near the coast, use salt-proof cement and paint. Maria's story, Angola. Maria in Luanda planned a $90,000 home, but ended up spending $180,000 because every nail and tile came through customs at a premium. Her advice: if you build here, budget like you're buying a plane. Part 3, hidden costs. Everyone thinks construction stops at walls and windows. Nope, the real pain hides in the fine print. Number 1, architects plus engineers equals 10 to 12% of the budget. Number 2, permits plus surveyors equals to $2,000 to $5,000. Number 3, land prep equals $3,000 to $8,000 if rocket. Number 4, labor delays equals time equals money. Number 5, wasted materials equals 10% loss. Number 6, inflation equals cement price jump while you blink. Keep 10 to 15% extra for oops moments. Congratulations, your drawings now costs a car. Part 4, how to save money. Here's how Amina, Sifu and Kojo save cash and still finish their homes. Number 1, local materials. Cheaper, same strength. Number 2, simple shapes, fewer corners, less labor. Number 3, prefab, Nutec homes, $70 to $170 per meter square, faster build. Number 4, building phases, who first, who later. Number 5, negotiate everything, prices aren't fixed in Africa. Number 6, DIY finishings, paint with friends, save hundreds. Number 7, cooperation, group buying, cuts cost for everyone. Part 5, build versus buy. Building, you design it, you control quality, but it takes time, stress, and endless phone calls. Buying, moving fast, but repairs, leaks, old wiring. Sifu says, when you build, you lose sleep. When you buy, lose patience. Part 6, how people buy. Not everybody has $100,000 cash. Here's how people manage. Corporations, families save together, build together. Diaspora help, relatives abroad invest. You send photo updates, not excuses. Buy as you build. Foundation this year, upstairs next year. Better a small house now than a big dream that is never built. So what's the real cost of building in Africa? Between $500 and $2,000 per meter square. But the true cost is time, planning, and patience. You control the price by choosing wisely. Local versus import. Smart versus fancy. Long-term versus quick show-off. A home is more than bricks. It's a family future and pride. Like this video if you're ready to build. Subscribe for more tips. Comment where your dream home. Nairobi, Mogadishu, Cape Town, or Accra. I'm Engineer Abdurrahim Muhammad, and this was the real cost of building a dream home in Africa, 2025. Now go build smart before cement prices rise again.